Good day everyone, this is part 1 of learning about Java fundamentals. In this video, I'm going to discuss to you what is reserved keywords, what is Java comments, what is Java identifiers, and lastly, I'm going to create our very first Java executable program, the very famous Hello World program. And from there, we will going to identify the parts of a Java program. Alright, let's get started. First, let's discuss about Java keywords. Java keywords are also known as reserved words. Keywords are particular words which acts as a key to a code. These are predefined words by Java, so it cannot be used as a variable name, a class name, a method name, or an object name, and also as a field name. These are the list of Java keywords or reserved words. Along the way of learning about Java, each one of these keywords will be discussed and we will find out how it will be going to use in creating our Java program. To implement, let's first create a new file that can accept Java source code. So here I'm going to use the TextPad. You can use any text editor that you want as long as it can compile and execute Java source code. Okay. In this TextPad, try to locate the icon for new document for us to open a new file. Modify the file so that the save icon will be enabled and clickable. Let's save first this file to accept Java source code. Let's give this file a name, Hello World, and a file extension .java. Make sure that the save type of this file is pointed to Java and click the Save button. Our file is already set to accept Java source code. Now we are ready to learn about Java comments. Java comments are in two parts. You can have a comment which is in line, putting a double slash at the beginning of your statement. As you can observe that the letters are in green colored. So that is the indicator what we are doing is a comment. Another way of commenting is through a block comment. To implement a block comment, you have to enclose your statement into a pair of symbols. And inside these symbols, you will write down your statement. Multiple line statement. All the statements that included inside these symbols are considered comment. Comment in Java is not executable. The purpose of comments inside a Java file is to give description of a particular block of code or give identification of a particular variable. Comment also serve as a communication tool to developers if ever this Java program is worked by multiple programmers. As of this moment, let's create our very famous Hello World Java program. And from there, let us discuss the different parts of a Java program. This is an executable Hello World Java program. The capability of this program is to display a statement, Hello World. Let's try to display the output of this program. When executing this program, we first need to compile this series of codes through its compiler. Compiling a Java code means that this source code is converted into bytecode. And then after compiling, let's run this program for our virtual Java machine can read and display whatever is this program is intended to display. Let's close this and then let's discuss about the parts of a Java program. First is we have a comment. There are two types of comments. First is a block comment wherein you can write as many statements in multiple lines. Another type is a single line comment wherein you can only comment a statement on the same line. Let's use this comment as a communication to you as my viewers of this video. Okay, part of the Java program is number one, comment. We have number two, identifiers. Identifiers are user-defined keywords. Okay, it is different from Java keywords because Java keywords are reserved for Java program for a specific purpose. As I've mentioned a while ago, during the course of our learning about Java, we will going to meet one by one these Java keywords and let us identify its functions and purpose, why it is called as a Java keyword. For as an identifier, it is a string of alphanumeric characters that begins with an alphabetic character or an underscore character that are used to represent various programming elements such as variable names. For this Hello World program, the args as our variable name. We have here our method name, which is the main. We have here our class name, which is the Hello World, and also structures, unions, and arrays. Number three is we have name of class, the program. Here in our Hello World program, our class name here is this Hello World, which is in camel case. When we say camel case, each word of an identifier starts with a capital letter. Also, class name must be similar to our document file name. It is a mandatory. It is a standard. Number four is our method. Here in our Hello World program, our method is the main. Main is a very important method of a Java program. There is only one main method in the entire Java program. The purpose of main is it is the starting point for JVM or our Java virtual machine to start execution of Java program. Without the main method, JVM will not execute the program. We will discuss more deep about the main method in a short while. So these four are the parts of a Java program. We have our comment, we have our identifiers, we have our class name, which is similar to our document file name, and then our method. Thank you very much for listening for this short presentation, and let's move forward to the next lesson.